What's up guys, Raph here, and now I'm doing my third episode of Cooking with Raph, and today I'm doing the classic s'mores. So what you're going to need is digestive biscuits, some chocolate, but cooking chocolate always works best, some alfoil, some marshmallows that are cut up like this, and 3 blocks of chocolate each, and two biscuits for each. So what you're going to do is take the alfoil, make sure it's 15 centimeters, and so you get these, to get 2 marshmallows, break them into half each, and you put 2 blocks of chocolate on one side, then you put a marshmallow onto top of those. A marshmallow, you can choose what type onto them, and you put 1 piece of chocolate, because if you have 2, 8 pieces of chocolate is a lot. And then you put those other 2 halves of marshmallow on, then you get it, and it's tricky. You get it, and you terrible at this. Put it on, and then you wrap it in the alfoil. Wrap it up so it's nice and perfect. Get in there. And now then you put it in the oven for 5 to 6 minutes, and it should be good.